Hi my people, Arafat Mechanic 256. Thank you for subscribing on my YouTube channel. This is Crusader 22R engine. I think you can see there 22R. This engine, the problem was overheating. It was overheating when I opened the cylinder head. The cylinder head was not good. I replaced the new one. I think you can see. Then I found this. I think you can see here when it was leaking water. You see, this is one. And that is the second. As you can see, I'm going to fix this. As you can see, you see the old one. You have to check very well. Like you can fix the, you can replace a new cylinder head and you think maybe everything is finished, but when you did not check very well, when there is another leakage, this side it is good, everything is good this side, as you can see. I think you see. So that is my people.